Today's lesson is drafting the straight sleeve sloper and will be taught by Francesca Sterlacci, a fashion designer, author, instructor at the Academy of Art University, and former chairperson at the Fashion Institute of Technology. The tools and supplies you'll need for this lesson are white paper, 28 by 16 inches, paper scissors, a pencil, a red pencil, an 18-inch plastic ruler, a French curve, an L-square, a tracing wheel, and a notcher. Use the sleeve measurement chart to find the measurements that are specific to your particular size. For this lesson, you will need a piece of white pattern paper, 28 by 16 inches, folded in half lengthwise, with the fold facing you. Square a line off center back 2 inches down from the top. This is the cap line of the sleeve. Next, referring to your sleeve chart, come down the measurement of your sleeve cap, dot, and square a line across. This is your bicep line. Measure across on the bicep line 1/2 the distance of your bicep circumference and place a mark. To find your elbow line, divide your underarm measurement in half, then minus 1.5 inches, and measuring down from the bicep line, place a mark. Then square a line across to form the elbow line. Next, measure 1/2 the distance of your elbow circumference and mark. Refer to the sleeve chart for your sleeve's inseam measurement. Next, measure down from the bicep line the length of your size inseam, intersecting your elbow line, then mark. Square a line across from the fold line to this mark to form your wrist line. In preparation for shaping the sleeve cap, extend your inseam with broken lines from the bicep to the cap line. Divide the cap in half lengthwise from above the bicep line. Fold the sleeve center over to meet the inseam line and make a crease. Then mark the crease with a broken line. Fold the sleeve cap down to meet the bicep line and form a crease. Then measure up 3/4 inch on the intersection of the crease line and place a mark. Place a mark 1/4 inch away from the fold on the cap line. Then place 2 marks on the bicep inseam intersection, one at 1/4 inch in and another at 1 inch in. To form the cap, place your French curve at the 1/4 inch cap mark with the point in the direction of the 1 inch mark at the underarm. Intersect the 3/4 inch mark and shape the upper cap. Flip your French curve over and shape the lower underarm, intersecting the 1/4 inch mark at the side seam underarm intersection, blending a nice smooth curve. The final steps begin with transferring your bicep, elbow, and wrist line onto the underside using your tracing wheel. The next step is to cut out your folded sleeve draft. Open the sleeve and, with your plastic ruler, draw in your bicep line, your elbow line, and the center of your sleeve line. To add your sleeve notches, start by placing a mark halfway between the crease line and the underarm section on the right side of the sleeve. Measure in 1/4 inch and, with your French curve, re-blend your front armhole. Using your red pencil, mark the area that will be later cut away. Measure up 1/2 inch from the crease line on the right side and place a dash. That will be your front armhole notch. The back sleeve will have 2 notches, one at the same level as the front and the other 1/2 inch lower. And now you're ready to notch your front and back notches. And the last step is to trim away the front excess. And this is your finished straight sleeve sloper.
We hope that you found this video helpful and informative. For more fashion how-to videos, visit universityoffashion.com.